Nickelodeon Guts will return in a moment.
To get inside this box of Lucky Charms, rainbow magic is what it takes for a close look at me marshmallow shapes.
Hey, a box of Lucky Charms and no sign of luck.
Yikes!
But all those marshmallows are here. Oh, right, let's see.
Oh, no! I'm part of their complete breakfast with marshmallowy Lucky Charms.
Well, wherever you are, Lucky, thanks to the Lucky Charms.
Lucky so small the kids can't find him. But you can if you look carefully at your next marked box of Lucky Charms.
There are way wacky things at the Wacky Warehouse Mall.
Hanging at the mall, the Wacky Warehouse Mall.
Way wild new video games. Way wet new flavor. Pink flamingo.
The Wacky Warehouse Mall.
Way Kool-Aid.
Wario, Nintendo's big star, says Kool-Aid now has his great, incredible Super Mario Land 2, 6 golden coins. You can get your free Nintendo Game Boy game pack with points from Kool-Aid soft drink packages and these order forms. It's big. It's huge.
He's back. He's here. He's Mario. No, he's the new and improved Mario in Super Mario All-Stars. So much Mario, it's a Mario smorgasbord. It's all the way down Mario Brothers Adventures he ever played and then some. But this is juiced up 16-bit only on the Super Nintendo Entertainment System Mario. So it's bigger Mario, better Mario, in-your-face Mario. It's Raccoon Mario, Mario throwing fireballs, Mario hurling turnips, Mario negotiating an arms deal. Okay, maybe not. It's Mario like you've never seen him. What's 2 plus 2 Mario? What's the capital of Ohio? Mario. You're gonna live, breathe, eat, sleep Mario. In Super Mario All-Stars, 4 Mario games, including a never-before-seen lost level, so you can't get more Mario than this, which is why the best player here.
And now back to Nickelodeon Guts.